Okay, we're going to make a chicken casserole. You're going to need some chicken breast, cut up, sliced up, whatever. I cut mine in half because they were so thick. Alright, grease my pan. Pepper. Salt. Do both sides. Now you cut this in pieces. You don't have to have them whole like I do. I got 1 can of cream of chicken. Don't come at me because it's bioengineered. I don't want to hear it. It's what I had and I didn't buy it. It was gave to me. So I'm going to use it. And yes, I know how to make my own. But we're snowed in. And I figured I'd make this. Spread it out best you can. Okay. I got my canned chicken stock. Got 1 thing of turkey stuffing mix. Pour it in a bowl. One cup of chicken stock. And a half. Mix it up. Heat your oven at 350. I'm just going to use all this. 2 cups of chicken stock. Okay, we're going to pour it in our chicken. How y'all doing today? Hope y'all give this recipe a try. It's easy. Heat your oven at 350 and bake for 45 to 55 minutes. Let your oven heat for at least 10 minutes before you stick it in there. Okay, let's stick this in the oven. And I'll see you back at 45 minutes. Cook your chicken to 165. Make sure to use a 9 by 13 pan. And at least 3 pieces of chicken breast cut up or chicken thighs, whatever y'all like. Okay, I'm going to stir it. It's halfway done. It's smelling awesome, I'm telling you. Oh, the chicken's tender. You can already tell that. Falling apart already. Chicken and dressing casserole. That's what we're going to call this meal. Thanks for watching. Push the like, subscribe button if you ain't already, and thank you.